Hey everyone, welcome to channel. If you're watching our channel for the first time, I would strongly recommend please subscribe to our channel and watch all our videos. We will basically create videos related to interview preparation and all the latest technologies, and we are covering AI related videos also. So in this video, we are going to build one beautiful web app. This is basically to learn Java. If you're a Java beginner, then using this portal you can learn Java, but we are going to create this portal using Cursor with single prompt. Let's see how to do it. So at the end of the video, we are going to build this Java crash course web app. So this has dashboard, this has all this different Java fundamentals, and it has a learn tab, it has practice tab, and even in the practice tab we have multiple sections. We have quiz and we have memory hacks. Yes, we are going to build this entire thing in this video. And interesting part is, so instead of building this from scratch, what I do is I'm taking help of Cursor and I'm just giving one prompt, and that will give this beautiful web app. So if you want to know how to create this cool crash course website, watch this video till then. Let's see the functionalities. So let's go to learn tab. So learn tab, you can see it has a lot of things. Here we are going to cover Java fundamentals, getting started, and there is a code and understanding and a lot of other things. You can see it will talk about a lot of things. As soon as you complete one module, you will basically see the completion rate here, and so you can see interesting gamification, and if you go to the dashboard, you will see what you have completed so far, and it will show you some scores. So if you go to practice tab, you can see there is an interesting one. Let's say, what is this? 42 is an int string what? So if you move here, you will get some points. Same thing here, there is a coding challenge. You can code and you can run this. And there is a matching challenge. So let's say here it is JVM. It will basically, what it does, you have to basically match it. So if once it is matched, you will get some points. Same thing if you go to the quiz, there is an interesting one. So with this, what will happen is you can learn some programming language easily. You don't need to depend on any portal. You can build your portal. Same thing you can build for your own interview preparation as well. So be it DSA, be it Java interview question, or be it system design, you can build your own portal. So if you want me to host this portal and share it with you, let me know in the comment. I'll share the portal for you to practice also. Let's try to understand how to build this cool web app with just one prompt. Let's get started. So if you have not used Cursor before, it's an AI powered code editor that understands the context and helps you to build apps faster than ever. And it's supported in Windows, Mac, and Linux, and is fork of Visual Studio Code. This is the official website for the same. You can download the Cursor from this by clicking on this. Let's get started. Let's see how to build the web app using Cursor. So I opened a new project. Here I opened a new chat, and in that context I mentioned give me crash course in Java, and in the custom mode I mentioned as course, and in the advanced option I'm specifying the prompt. I wrote a long detailed instruction that described exactly what I wanted. A Java learning portal with clean UI, interactive sections, and data persistence. So I'm not showing the prompt now, I'll show you at the end, so watch the video till the end. As soon as I hit the enter, Cursor will generate full structure of HTML, CSS, JS. So it will create pages for learning, practice, quiz, memory hacks, etc. So let's give some time, let it complete. Finally, the project is completed. It has created an HTML file and the related JS and the CSS. So this will contain all the different sections of learning, practice, quiz, memory hacks, etc. It really nailed it very well. So that's the power of well-engineered prompt. You will tell the AI exactly what you want, and it builds your idea like magic. Hey everyone, I hope you like this video. So you've used cursor prompt to create this beautiful website. And if you want to know this prompt, please comment prompt in the comment section. I'll share the prompt. If you want me to host this website, please comment that also. I'll create a new website and share it with you guys for the practice. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you want more such videos, please let me know in the comments. I'll create more such videos. Thank you.